In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and save your watched issues in Jira Cloud. If you regularly watch important bug reports, stories, tasks, or infrastructure tickets, it's easy for those updates to get buried in a busy workspace. The good news is that Jira gives you a simple way to pull those watched issues back into view and then turn that view into a saved filter you can reuse anytime. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian Cloud site. If your organization uses a direct Jira site, enter your company's Atlassian address. You can also sign in through the Atlassian login page if that's how your workspace is set up. Once you've logged in and the main Jira homepage finishes loading, you're ready to begin. Next, look at the navigation bar across the top of the screen. This is where Jira keeps many of its main shortcuts. Find the menu labeled Your Work and click it once. That opens a panel with options related to your personal activity and assignments inside Jira. From that menu, click Watched. This is the fastest way to jump directly to the issues you are currently watching. Jira will then show you a focused list of items you've subscribed to, making it much easier to monitor important work without digging through multiple projects or boards. If you want more control over how those watched issues are displayed, move to the search area near the top of Jira and open the full issue search view by selecting View All Issues. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use the Jira shortcut that opens the issue navigator. This takes you into the broader search screen where you can sort, refine, and organize your results more precisely. Once you're in the full issue search view, switch to JQL. You'll usually see a link labeled Switch to JQL or a shading style icon that changes the search from simple filters to a text-based query box. Click into that field and enter this query exactly. Watcher equals current user and status does not equal done, order by updated descending. Run the search and Jira will return your open watched issues sorted so the most recently updated items appear first. This is especially useful when you want to stay current on active work instead of completed tickets. Now save that search so you don't have to rebuild it later. Above the query area, click Save Filter. Enter a clear title for the filter, something short and easy to recognize, and then click Save. Finally, review the results on screen and confirm everything looks right, including project names, assignees, statuses, and the overall layout of the issue list. Once that looks good, your watched issues dashboard is ready to use whenever you need it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.